Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to learn how to save time when sharing your meeting availability in Outlook. This video has two clips, one man-made, the other created by AI. Man versus AI. In the first clip I will demonstrate sharing my availability. In the second, using a text-to-video AI application, AI will discuss its version of sharing availability from Outlook. Let's get started. Your financial advisor called and asked to meet with you concerning your stock portfolio. She would like to meet sometime in the next 2 weeks. Your calendar is pretty full. Without looking at each individual day, let me show you how I share my availability. We'll start with a blank email. Select the Insert tab on the ribbon, then select Calendar. The Send a Calendar via Email dialog box will pop up. If you have multiple calendars, use the Calendar drop-down box to choose the calendar you wish to share from. In the Date Range drop-down, choose your time frame. You have several standard choices and a choice to specify dates. I will choose Specify Dates. Two more drop-downs appear for the start and end date. I will leave the start date as today and choose the end date as 2 weeks from now. In the Detail section, I have the ability to choose Availability Only, Limited, or Full Details. I nearly always leave it at the default Availability Only, which just shows free, busy, tentative, working elsewhere, or out of office. I'll check the Show Time in Working Hours Only. I'll make sure the Daily Schedule is selected under Advanced Options and hit OK. Outlook places my calendar availability in for the next 2 weeks. It shows free, busy, working elsewhere, and outside of working areas. Now stay tuned for the AI created version.
Quickly transform you into a master this vital tool. It's a breeze to share your availability with the world, and we're here to show you how. By the end of this video, you'll be able to share your availability in Outlook with ease. The first step in sharing your availability is to navigate to the calendar in Outlook. Begin by launching Outlook. In the main window, find Calendar, usually in the lower left corner. It's your scheduling hub, showing all appointments and meetings, a snapshot of your day or week. By clicking on the calendar icon, you'll access this overview. This is your starting point in sharing your availability. Once you're on the calendar, the next step is selecting your availability time period. Now that we're in the calendar, select your availability. See a calendar on your screen? Click and drag over your available dates. It could be a day, a week, or a month. Let's share this. Find the Home tab. Spot Email Calendar? Click it. A window pops up to input your date range. Select Availability Only to show when you're free or busy, excluding appointment details. After setting it up, hit OK. An email with your availability is ready. Add recipients, type a message, and hit Send. And that's how you share your availability in Outlook. It's as simple and efficient as that. Let's quickly recap the steps we've taken to share our availability in Outlook. We started by heading to the calendar, a crucial Outlook feature. We then chose the time period for displaying our availability. Lastly, we revealed our schedule, a straightforward and effective communication tool. Remember, Outlook availability sharing is a great method to improve professional scheduling and communication. Thank you for watching. Another valuable method to share your availability is directly from the Insert menu while composing an email. This feature can streamline your scheduling process. We're going to show you how. First, start drafting a new email. Next, navigate to the Insert tab at the screen's top. This is where you'll find the Calendar option. Clicking on it will bring up a new window. This window allows you to specify the time frame you're available. After you've chosen, click OK. The system will then insert your availability into the email. This approach is seamless, letting you share your schedule within the email itself. This feature can be incredibly handy for organizing meetings involving multiple people. It's efficient and eliminates misunderstandings. Outlook is a flexible tool that can remarkably streamline your professional life. Be sure to tune in for more tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your Outlook experience.
Well, you made it this far. Man and AI agree that sharing your availability via this method is a valuable time saver that improves accuracy. It's time for you to decide, man or AI. Leave a comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next episode of Man vs. AI, the Tech Tip Rivalry.